Are you looking for the best running shoes? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best running shoes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brooks Ghost 16 Running Shoe. The Ghost is a perennial favorite among runners of all stripes, from couch to 5 curs to seasoned marathoners. It's easy to understand why. It offers a Goldilocks ride cushioned yet responsive with a secure fit and good durability for everyday training. The 16 sticks with that winning formula but features some notable upgrades, including a new mesh upper and nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 midsole. That upper offers a lockdown fit, and the new cushioning has great shock absorption and a springy feel without adding much weight. On the bottom, the generous rubber outsole gives the shoe good durability and grip, and it's segmented to promote flexibility and smooth strides. Overall though, the Ghost's plush, energetic ride was the highlight for our testers. The Ghost felt light on my feet, and didn't have a clunky feel to them, despite definitely being well cushioned, said one. Number 2. Under Armour Sonic 7 Running Shoe. Need a running shoe that won't drain your bank account? Test editor Amanda Furrer recommends the Sonic 7. With its $110 price, it costs $40 to $50 less than typical trainers, but it still offers solid performance for day-to-day running. It's a budget shoe, but doesn't feel like a low-end shoe, said one RW tester. The Sonic 7's midsole is made with Havre cushioning, a proprietary Under Armour foam made of olefin wax. It generates a firm, responsive ride that helps you pick up the pace. While that's good for short and middle distances, testers report that the support isn't quite enough for long-distance running. Up top, the Jacquard upper creates a snug wrap around the foot and offers good breathability for a comfortable, distraction-free fit. On the bottom, the Sonic features a full-coverage rubber outsole that solidly grips dry pavement, though testers noted some slippage in wet conditions. Let's face it, the Sonic 7 isn't perfect. More expensive trainers weigh less and have bouncier cushioning foams, but it's light enough and peppy, and a solid overall shoe if you're looking for a bargain. Number 3. Nike Pegasus 41 Running Shoe. Nike's Pegasus line has reached middle age. This veteran has been a part of the brand's lineup for decades, but it continues to be a solid workhorse for daily running in version 41.0. Above all, the Pegasus is predictable. Even with its new React X foam midsole designed to deliver improved energy return and a lower carbon footprint, runner-in-chief Jeff Dengate found very little difference between the 40 and 41 in terms of overall feel in his testing. You can expect the same firm, responsive ride the Peg is known for. The formula stands because it's worked well for so many runners year after year. The Peg just works well most of the time for most people, Dengate said in his review. Is it perfect? No. But it's never bad either. He singled out the shoe's grippy full-coverage rubber outsole as a highlight. The shoe delivered lockdown traction, even in wet conditions. Overall, the Pegasus 41 remains a capable, versatile shoe. Number 4. Asics Metaspeed Sky Paris Running Shoe. The Metaspeed Sky is a favorite among Olympic runners, RW editors, and our wear testers. It occupies a unique niche. It's a high-performance racing shoe that's also comfy and durable enough for training miles. The latest iteration, Sky Paris, represents a ground-up overhaul to make it lighter, more propulsive, and more comfortable. Asics swapped in a new Flight Foam Turbo Plus midsole made with polyether block amide, PEBA, which gives the shoe great shock absorption and a bouncy feel with minimal weight. Like previous iterations, an embedded carbon fiber plate in the midsole helps you wring maximum energy return from the thick stack of foam. In addition, Asics used a new last to build this shoe, creating a closer fit, and a new, tighter knit upper that offers more support on the medial side. The new, more open knit also creates better breathability throughout. It's comfy, very light, and speedy. One RW tester called it an awesome shoe. It made me feel very fast, and it had a great ride, they said. One note, the Metaspeed Paris comes in 2 versions, the Sky, which we link to here, and its sister shoe, the Edge. The former is developed for runners who lengthen their stride as they run faster, while the latter is developed for runners who increase their cadence to pick up speed. The difference is subtle. We reviewed the Sky and Edge as one shoe, and you'll likely need to try both pairs to determine which is best for you. Either way, you'll get a zippy, propulsive shoe that will shine during 5 Burmese chots, marathons, and fast-paced training runs. Number 5. Adidas Adios Pro 4 Running Shoe. Right now, running brands are in fierce competition to create the very best super shoes, elite racing models designed for blazing through a marathon. Notably bouncy with a smooth ride and good traction, the Adidas Adios Pro 4 is our current favorite, and the shoe Dengate planned to wear to last year's NYC Marathon. To make the Adios Pro 4, Adidas threw in everything and the kitchen sink. The massive midsole stacks 2 layers of the brand's top-tier Lightstrike Pro Foam, a material derived from thermoplastic polyester elastomers that absorbs impacts well and offers high energy return. The foam is paired with carbon-infused energy rods that align with the metatarsal bones of the foot. They boost the shoe's energy return and create a snappy, energetic feel underfoot. A thin textile upper saves weight, and on the bottom, the Adios Pro 4 wears a full-coverage continental rubber outsole, a rare feature for shoes in this class, for reliable grip on the pavement. Our W testers were overwhelmingly pleased with this shoe's lively feel and especially its soft and propulsive midsole. One praised its amazing blend of cushioning and speed performance, while another appreciated its grippy outsole and called it a class above most super shoes. Not everyone was wholly satisfied with the shoe, though. Some testers noted issues with instability, especially with the soft heel foam. Despite that quibble, the Adios remains an absolute stunner in a hotly contested category. For an extra bit of oomph at your next race, this is the shoe to try.